Today we have 3 trucks inside our box. Let's see the first one. Kids, do you know what this is? If you said it's a backhoe, you're right! This is one of our favorite trucks. This is a JCB backhoe from Bruder Trucks. It's got a lot of really cool detail. Let's check out some of the things on it. Now I know you're thinking we need to get to shoveling, but first we need to put the stabilizers down. Oh, that one was stuck. There goes the other one. What do backhoes do? Do you know? Well, before we answer, let me ask you something else. Now I know you like surprises, but do you like messy surprises? Well, now we can test out what the backhoe is for. Look how it has a bucket scoop on it. Can you guess what we're going to do with it? By moving this silver piece, we can move the bucket up and down into position. It's ready to scoop now. Kids, do you know what color this backhoe is? What color do you think it is? If you said yellow, you are right. Great job. Yellow, yellow, yellow backhoe. Let's take a view from the top. Here we go, into position. Shovel is ready. Bucket is ready. Scoop. Lift. And what does this lever do? What do you think it does, kids? It does that. Did anyone notice how silly it was that I put the stabilizers down? Those stabilizers make it hard to move the truck. They're supposed to help stick it in place. It's just a toy though. Now we come to the really fun digger, the actual backhoe part. Watch how we can scoop the load. See, it bends at the boom and the stick. You can pick stuff up, drop it out. One nice thing about this truck when you play with it is you can grab it by the backhoe and pull it along. Alright, bye, Mr. Backhoe! What a mess. What do you think I've got that can help clean it? Can you guess? Wow, what kind of truck is that? Do you know? If you said that it's a small bulldozer, you're right. Look at the bulldozer go. What color is this bulldozer, kids? This is a yellow bulldozer. It's a caterpillar bulldozer. What's special about a bulldozer, kids? Well, I can think of 2 things. One, it has a big blade on the front. And 2, it has tracks. Let's check out this toy in action. Let's put down the blade, and here we go. Look at this big pile of junk the bulldozer made. What are we gonna do with it? I wonder if truck number 3 could help. What do you think truck number 3 is going to be? Wow, look at this dirty truck. What do you think it is? Here's some clues. It has big fat tires. It's got a big bucket with a claw on it. It's really, really good at loading. Do you know what it is? This truck is a front-loading tractor. This is another Bruder truck. This one is a Claas. What are the colors on this tractor? It looks orange, green, black, and even some white. Do you remember what colors the other trucks were? Do you remember? What were they? If you said that the other trucks were yellow, you remembered really well. Great job. Let's see this truck in some more action. Here it goes to scoop up the load. Okay, kids, those are our 3 trucks from our surprise box today. Did you like them? Did you guess what they have in common too? Did you? Well, there's probably lots of things that we can say, but they're all dirty. Look at that one. Look at those dirty tracks. We like to play with these trucks outside in the dirt. Check out some of our other videos to see them in action.